Hello guys, welcome back. We are here back again with our trading setup. So let's quickly discuss Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session. So first of all, we have Nifty on our screen. In hourly time frame, Nifty is forming a symmetrical triangle pattern. In today's trading session, Nifty gives breakdown of this particular range. After the levels of 17,970, we get a sharp downside move. Now in closing session, market moves in a consolidating range. So for tomorrow's trading session, we can plan our trade to short market below 17,800 levels. So let's quickly discuss Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session. As we can see on chart, Bank Nifty is falling from last 6 days, currently trading at a support level. So in upcoming session, if Bank Nifty break this particular level, we can go short. Otherwise, if forms a reversal pattern or any rejection at a support level, we can go for a long opportunity. That's all for Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session. So let's discuss some stocks for tomorrow's trading session. Our very first pick is Hindelco Industries. So this particular script, as we can see in daily time frame, it is in a downtrend and continuously breaked its previous support level. So here we can see a inside candle pattern formation. This is parent candle and this is child candle for this particular pattern. If this particular script broke 450 levels in tomorrow's trading session, we can go short up to previous swing, which is of 443 or 440 round level. Second trading pick, that is SBI Life Insurance. As we can see in chart, this particular script is forming a channel pattern on a downside trend. So we can plan our trade like this. If this particular script forms any bullish pattern, we can get upside entry above 1156-57 level. Otherwise, if it broke this particular support trend line, we can go short up to the target of 1130 levels. Our third pick for tomorrow's trading session, it is Havells. As we can see on hourly time frame, Havells is forming a bullish chart pattern. So for tomorrow's trading session, if this particular stock crosses 1353 levels in intraday, we can plan our trade for a long entry, because here we can see a gap pending in market. So there is no resistance acting. Thank you. Have a nice trading day for tomorrow.
ਅੱਗ ਲਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਇਰਾਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਜੱਗ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਕਰਦੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਪੱਗ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗ ਲਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਇਰਾਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਜੱਗ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੰਨੀ